Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic NanoCAD tutorial how to use move command. For example, I will draw rectangle and the other I will draw circle. If you want to move the circles into corner point in this rectangle, you can use move command. Type move, press enter, select the circle objects and enter again. I will click in here for base point and then you can click in this corner. So to be automatically move the circle. If you want move the circle into center point of this rectangle, you can type move again, select the circle object, enter, and base point I will click in the center point of a circle. Now you can sort from these middle points and click again in it to middle point and you can move into center point like this. Now if you want to move these all objects to direct like about 200 points, you can type a move, press enter, select the objects and enter again. I will click from this point and then you can move the cursor to direct. You can type 200, press enter. The object will be moved 200 points to the right. Okay, that's it for basic NanoCAD tutorial, how to use move command. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.